today I have a quick how-to guide on how to unlock the secret achievement for completing the movement training in Halo Infinite's multiplayer beta in under 25 seconds. Now, first off, complete the training as usual and then turn back. Now, if you don't turn back, go further down the firearm section, then you'll have to go through the whole of the training again like I did. So just turn back and follow the walkway and then jump the wall as shown, and then you can go back to the start. So now that you're back at the start, you need to press the interact button on your chosen controller or keyboard and mouse. You need to press that on the pedestal. Now you're going to be timed. Now you need to make sure that you jump here on this bit of construction and then up to that ledge. Follow it through and then slide down the hatch. Sprint to the end of the hallway. Now continue sprinting and jump on the box that's in front of you. As you need to grab that ledge, and it's important you grab that ledge here, as you won't reach otherwise. Then it's just a simple hop up the stairs, and then you're done. It can take a few tries, guys, to get right, as it took me a few tries, but I know you can do it. If you need to reset at any point, just go back and interact with the pedestal again, and the timer will restart. Right, guys, if I helped you, or you just enjoyed the video, please smash that like button, and comment down below, how are you liking the Halo Infinite multiplayer beta? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.